In this video, I will guide you how you can transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet. So first of all, start by opening up your Sweatcoin application. Once you are in, what you need to do is to simply click on balance on the top right corner, and now you should see the option of Sweat wallet. Now if you cannot see this, you just need to open up Sweat wallet application and then click on login with Sweat wallet and click on OPT into crypto. Once you click there, click on next button and again next and click on OPT in now. After that, you just need to enter your email address and simply confirm it. After that, as you can see, I have successfully connected my Sweat wallet to my Sweatcoin and then click on open Sweat wallet. Now click on approve login and then this will take few seconds. Now click on let's get started, and after that, as you can see on the top right corner, my balance is showing up, and for every 5,000 steps I will get one sweat coin. Now if I go back to my sweat coin and click on balance, as you can see, now we have the option of you are walking for crypto. If I click on this, as you can see, all my coins can be transferred to my sweat wallet. So that's the way of how you can transfer sweat coin to sweat wallet.